Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys these super bright LED lights for your car. Now I'm installing this on a Toyota Corolla Sport, and we're going to see how the LED bulbs are for the turn signals. Alright, to install these you're going to want to get down into here. You can see that, and there is the turn signal. I'm going to go ahead and install the new ones here. So let me just sit this down for a second. Let me get a new bulb out. And there we go. Both of them installed. And that's going to be all for today, but that is how you install super bright LED turn signals on your Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching.